Hello and welcome back to the HogPlay channel, to BattleTech actually. And I'm just checking, I need to look on it. I don't know, can you see my eyes if they move like that? I'll check that later on the video. So yeah, recording is already running. It's been a while since I played BattleTech now, and a new patch came out. So I thought I'll actually just read the patch notes, what changed. Because I feel like I have a lot of potential to get better at BattleTech, and I want to make use of that. Yeah, so these are the patch notes for 1.2. Welcome to BattleTech. Highlights. Players using the custom component options. Prologue skip, okay. Memory wall. We've made several improvements to our save game management system. All right. And lastly, we added new events for you to discover. Okay. Linux. I'm not running on a Linux machine. Localized version of the game. French, German, and Russian still. Yeah. I actually, well, I'm Austrian. I'm not exactly German, but it's basically the same. I guess the governments would disagree, but yeah, but I don't care. Things like these, like any form of art, it's best to consume it in the original language because so much is lost if you have to switch. And I happen to speak English, so I'll just stay on English. I hope they don't, like, sometimes software does that where they just force your native language on you, and it's really annoying, especially for development tools and stuff like that. If you want to Google anything, it's basically the answers and the questions are in English. So you get an error message, you want to Google it. If it's in your native language, you probably don't get the same amount of support. And if the solution is in English as well, and you need to click through a menu somewhere, actually, this is my gate over here. Yeah, so if you have to click through a menu somewhere, like it's all in English, I don't see the benefit of having things that are not made in your language, like translated. Well, I guess I do see the benefit. Like, I don't speak Russian, so that's an issue. If things are originally in Russian, I can't consume them. Mechwarrior's abilities beta. We're also excited to share a big revision to Mechwarrior abilities, now released in beta form. Before putting these live, we want to give interested players the opportunity to try these abilities through ability revisions and share their thoughts. Thus, we are releasing this work as a separate public preview beta for the dedicated testing. This beta is identical to the live state of 1.2, except for the ability revision. Did I say I speak English? I don't. We'll be reviewing beta feedback on these abilities in a few weeks in weeks following, and expect to push this revision to live in our next big release update 1.3. That's fine. Okay, so it doesn't affect me right now. I'm not going to be a dedicated tester. I have not enough time on my hands, sadly, actually. Important, if you experience any issues, okay, this is troubleshooting. Let's see if you run into that. Okay, if you modded any game files, which I didn't do, new features, new prologue skip option. That's useful, but I guess I'll see it when I get to it. That has impact. Combat morale replaced with resolve. Players now gain a consistent amount of resolve every round of combat, and can use it to activate precision strike, so that's different now. The amount of resolve gained each round is determined by the morale on your ship. So that's now based on events and how much you spend each month, I guess, you get more of these. So these help you with precision strikes, and precision strikes is something that you really need Okay. New Mechwarrior wall added in the Argo. List of all Mechwarriors. Variety of statistics. Argo barracks. Right, we'll check that out. New events. Number of new events. I guess they have to keep it a secret. Save game management. Custom names for manual saves. Alright. I hope they still offer the default one. Added the ability for users to disable warnings when deleting saves. Alright. Deleting a save game no longer scrolls back to the top of the list each time. Oh, I can see how that will be annoying. But I just want a sorted list. I just keep all my saves around until I no longer play the game, so it doesn't impact me that much. Quality of life improvements. Added the ability to restart in any combat mission without loading a saved game. Excludes Iron Man. Okay. Okay. Initiative status. More sorting options for inventory items. Are now sorted logically. Alright. So they were not sorted before. Added more color swatches. Right. How's that a quality of life improvement? Added new floating text for precision strikes. Might be interesting. Added pop-up message when mech with invalid configuration is detected. Added new pop-up for selling multiple items in the store. Added ultra-wide version of main menu cinematic for 21:9 aspect ratios. So I could play this game on both of my screens now. I don't know if I want that. Mech selection weight class filters changed from individual toggles to exclusive subsets, including all button, new all button to show all weight classes. I actually can't place that. Where do I select the weight class? I guess that's in the mech bay, right? This is where I would select the weight class. UI. We now show the proper number of health boxes and access on the after action review screen. I didn't notice that was incorrect. Fix the mech bay storage list so that we don't give filters when you scrap a mech part. The timeline now reflects modified Mechwarrior names and portraits. Pressing escape closes delete campaign prompts. Video settings. I'm trying to see if there's an interesting UI thing in here. Mission tooltips. Fix the warning prompt. Fix the visual only issue with heat efficiency rating. Okay, fix an issue. Remove the empty month option. Okay. I'm not registering an account, so that doesn't affect me. Fix the tooltip on incomplete mechs in MechBay. Trying to see which of these are in-game. Scroll position. Okay, reflecting you get morale mechanic is good. Disable the camera zoom during multi-target text. Oh, I think that was annoying. Skinner, okay. This is in-game. Okay, so what I'm kind of missing, what I was hoping to find was the ability to inspect another mech, kind of if he's in range and visual range for any mech, that you just can inspect that mech. I think right now you cannot. You have to select your mech first and then the other mech. I was hoping that it would be in here, but I didn't see it right now. But maybe I missed a different patch log. Okay, mountain hold map bug fix. Inefficient AI move. I think I might have exploited that at some point. All right, didn't know that would be possible. Expanded play bounce. Yeah, these are all good fixes. But it's like, those are more like the scripting part of the AI. Proof patrol route. Or route, I guess. Okay. Yeah. I kind of have to see the AI fixes like in-game. But it's not a good message for me that the AI has gotten better. I'm bad at the game as it is right now, so improving the AI doesn't help me. But I guess these are all things like the AI getting stranded. I can see how that. Well, I'm not going to say ruins immersion, but it probably takes away from the fun if things aren't a challenge. So I'm happy they fixed it. Modding. All right, not doing that. Launcher bug fixes. Fix an issue where save's not okay. Yeah, these look like they're all minor bug fixes down here. Nothing huge. Unless what I was asking is a bug. Known issue if you load save games. Okay, let me actually find update. No, actually select. Jump selection state when it was looking through. Okay. And selecting done. Fixed item selection. Okay. Yeah, looks like. Oh wait, I'm already in the comment section. Oh, I shouldn't search through all the comment section. Okay. Nothing too huge. I think the biggest one in here is the change in how morale is handled now, switching to a resolve system, and then something that will show during gameplay is, I think, the AI upgrades. So let's see how this plays out. Looking forward to playing the game. So this has been my grand patch review. Let me know if you enjoyed this, if I should make more of these. I realized I maybe should have read through the whole thing beforehand. So do you like the live version, or would you rather have that be something that I've prepared for? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope if you were looking to get some insights into the patch that this helped you somehow. See you soon. I'm going to play a game right now and release that alongside. Bye.